guys in the jackets.
They're the Aurora Tigers, rep hockey. And then the next group is the Girl Guides of Canada. And the next group is the Cubs of Canada and Scouts. So you have Brownies, Girl Guides, Rangers, Cub Scouts, Scouts.
So everybody joins in the fray. Grandson in the cadets there, but I didn't see him. I don't know.
You'll see him when you get look at your video.
Yeah.
You'll get another